Hello class 6th, welcome to the class. So we read up to 6 point in the previous video. Let's continue today. Our 7 point is the bear looked out from behind a tree and then he took a hastily deeper into the forest. It means the bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into the dense forest. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion, who is he? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth? Well, then I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. It means he told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. He was the strongest and the most powerful animal on this earth. The dog was surprised to hear this and he immediately left the bear. And the 8 point is, and off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. It means now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted, and the dog started staying with him and served him for a longer duration. He felt good and enjoyed his life. He had nothing to fear and complain of. Now he was with the strongest master. Here no one was brave enough to upset him. And our 9th point is, but one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid a cliff when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quickly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, why do better than run for it are well? Be in trouble? Oh, well then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. It means sometime later, when the two of them were strolling together amidst a high step rock, the lion stopped instantly. He roared aloud and struck. He ground with his paw so instantly that his hole was formed there. After that, he was on back foot. Surprisingly, the dog asked him, master, if anything was wrong. The lion told him that a man was coming their way and that they must run away to save themselves. Hearing this, the dog bid him because he wanted to stronger being on the earth as his master. And the 10th point is, and off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. It means now the dog went to be with the man. He stayed with him and become his tired and true friend. This incident took place while back to tell that the dog is a man's most faithful servant.